Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in bright white with LED reflector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 17-inch satin silver aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black tubular side steps with MOPAR, black tail lamp guards, reclining front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, premium instrument cluster with tachometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, Sirius XM satellite radio, command track shift on the fly part-time four-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seats, 8 premium speakers, 12-volt auxiliary power outlets, rear compartment coverage storage, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3313A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.